So what did the room look like when
Her
she was,
room?
Yeah.
Towards the window, she had paint things. She had a bed next to the wall. When you come in the room, it was on the left. She was here. There was a bed here. The paints were lined up here in front of the window. Out of the window, there was a man who used to come, Jack, very unpleasant guy, who came with a big cart with a horse selling fruit to the neighborhood. And he would park outside, and there are many pictures that she painted of Jack and the fruit cart, just as there are pictures that she painted of the building right outside the window across the street, and the sunset that you can see, because that room faces west, south and west. This is the building right across the street. This is the sunset in the west, and this are the buildings across that she saw from her window. There's that building with the white brick and the red brick, and down the street is the Hudson River, and you get the sun. This is a historical and I think, a very, very beautiful painting. I really love it. And I love it, of course, that it's mine, because mine, I don't mean my possession, but it's my neighborhood. I have very long roots here. And it's my neighborhood, and it's the buildings I know and I grew up with. So this is a very big deal to me to have this one. There are beautiful testimonies to what this neighborhood was. Some of it still exists. And, but of course it reminds me, I mean, it brings to my generation, oh sure, I participated in going to buy things from Jack, and I loved seeing the horse, even though both Jack and the horse, well, the horse was fairly calm. I mean, the horse didn't make trouble, but the fact that this guy was rather bad-tempered, and yet everybody was there. Everybody would just, he'd come, and everybody would come out of the building. It was quite wonderful. She got really fascinated with the surround. Each place that she was in, we have pictures that she did in Massachusetts, snow, etc. We have pictures that she did, some of them that are in Florida. There's pictures of Rockaway Beach when she went to the beach and she stayed out at the beach. There's pictures of almost all of the nature surround in the city. Of course, it's the city, but of what she was seeing around her. And this one shows her painting, with her smock and her hairdo, and being with people. And as I say, here she is in the Art Students League in this painting, and she's painting what's around her, so that her very immediate environment was of great interest to her. And that's what you find in her work.